Good morning, dear children. Welcome to computer class. Today, first we will revise chapter files and folders, and after that, I will demonstrate you how to create a new folder, how to create a file, how to save a file inside a folder, how to move a file from one folder to another folder, and then how can we move uh, yes how can we move one file or folder from one folder to another folder, and then we will study how to delete a file and how to rename a file or folder. Okay, these are the things that we are going to discuss. And first, what is a drive? What is a drive? Drive is a section of memory. Drive is a section of memory. Under drives, we can see folders. Under drive, we can see folders and subfolders. See, folders are a collection of files. Folders are a collection of files. What is a file? File contains meaningful data. File contains meaningful data. And we use Windows Explorer or File Explorer to manage files and folders. Windows Explorer is a program that helps us to create and manage files and folders. In Windows 10, Windows Explorer is also known as File Explorer. Understand? So Windows Explorer window is divided into two sections, left pane and right pane. Okay, so these are the things that I am going to revise, and after that we will study how to create a folder, how to save a file inside a folder, how to move a file from one folder to another, and how can we delete a file, how can we rename a file or folder. Okay, are you ready? Good. Dear children, when we open my computer, we can see drives and folders available on this computer. Okay, see, this is drive. See, devices and drives. See, this is a drive and this is also a drive, but this is a removable disk drive. RemoD is a removable disk drive because I have connected my pen drive to this computer. If I remove this pen drive, then removable disk is automatically disappear. Okay, so we can see drives and directories under my computer. See, all these are yellow color things are folders. Yellow color things are folders, and this is a drive. Okay, under this drive we can see so many folders. Okay, so folders are present under drives. Folders are present under drives, and we can see files inside. We can see files inside. Okay, inside these folders. See, all these are files. All these are files. These files are present under a folder called documents. Understand? We can also see folders over here, right? And these folders are called subfolders. Folders under another folder is called subfolder. Here also we can see some folders. Okay, under kernel you can see so many files. Under EVS you can see so many files. Under UCAM you can see so many files. Okay, under documents you can see files as well as folders. Okay, all these folders are present under a folder called documents. Clear? So these are called subfolders. These are called subfolders. Again, we can create folders under these folders. Okay, so folders under another folder is called subfolder. Okay, and next we are going to see how can we create a file under a folder. For that, first I have to open File Explorer, because this is 2010. In my computer I have installed 2010 Windows 10, so I have to open File. Windows Explorer is present in this operating system as File Explorer. Okay, when I open File Explorer, you can see File Explorer is divided into two panes. Okay, File Explorer is divided into two panes, left pane and right pane. Okay, left pane and right pane. Left pane contain all the drives. See, this is a drive, and all these are subfolders. All the drives and folders, all the drives are folders present on this computer is displayed on the left pane, and right pane contain the files and subfolders present under the folder that is selected in the left pane. Left pane select ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഫോൾഡേഴ്സിന്റെ അണ്ടറിൽ വരുന്ന ഫയൽസിനെയും സബ് ഫോൾഡേഴ്സിനെയും എവിടെ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യും? റൈറ്റ് പാനൽ ഡിസ്പ്ലേ ചെയ്യും. All these are files and subfolders present under desktop. Okay, when I change the folder, automatically the files displayed on the right pane also change. Okay, if I click Carmel, you can see a set of files present under Carmel. Okay, when I click EVS, you can see a set of files under EVS. Okay, when I click Power Director, you can see a set of files under Power Director. So right pane displays files and subfolders present under the folder that is selected in the left pane. Left pane select ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഫോൾഡേഴ്സിന്റെ അണ്ടറിൽ വരുന്ന ഫയൽസും സബ് ഫോൾഡേഴ്സും ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുക, റൈറ്റ് പെയിനിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുക. Now I want to create a new file, a new Word file under this folder EVS. For that, what I have to do, right click on the right pane, select new, and select, instead of folder you can select Microsoft Word document. So a new Microsoft Word document is created here, and also I'm going to create a folder. Okay, new folder. Okay, new folder. I'm going to give the name folder 1. Folder 1. And again I'm going to create another folder. This is folder. I simply give folder. Okay, now the name of the folder is folder. So I want to change the name. I want to rename the folder name. For that, what I have to do, again right click and select rename option. If I want to change name of a file or folder, the name of a file or folder, I have to click on I have to select rename option. Okay, when I click rename option, that name is highlighted here, and I'm going to change the name of the folder as folder 2. Okay, so now the name of the folder is folder 2. Thus we can change the name of file and folder. See, this is a file. By default name of this file is untitled, so I want to change the name of the file. For that, what I have to do, I have to right click and select what option? Select rename option. Okay, select rename and give SS. Now I want to move this SS to folder 1. I have to move this folder to this file to folder 1. For that, what I have to do, right click on that file, select cut or copy. Either you can cut or you can copy. See the difference between cut and copy. we will discuss later. Okay, either you can cut or you can copy to move this file to folder 1. I am choosing copy, and double click on folder 1, again right click and paste. Yes, SS is present here. So this way, like this, we can move a file or folder from one folder to another folder. Okay, first we have to right click on the file, select cut or copy, and then double click the destination folder, paste over there. Okay, these are the steps to cut or copy paste a file or folder from one folder to another folder. So we studied how to rename a file, we studied how to cut and paste a file, we know how to next is create a file. Okay, creating a new folder using Windows Explorer, and now we are going to study how can we delete a folder. I want to delete this folder 1 to folder 2. For that, what I have to do, just right click and click on delete option. Now it is disappeared from the screen, right? Why? Because I deleted folder 2. See, without using cut and paste, we can directly move the file to this folder by dragging. Okay, select the file and drag and keep over the folder. Now, okay, it is already present. So another file, just click and drag. See, now this file is here, date. So we can click and drag the file over the folder to copy to that folder. Okay, this is an easy method, but you have to practice the previous method. Okay, so today's work is you all have to practice creating a folder or file, creating a folder, creating a file under a folder, moving a file from one folder to another folder, deleting a folder or file, and also copying a file or folder from one folder to another folder. These are the activities that you should do with the help of computer. Okay children, only this much for today. Thank you so much. Bye.